Hey guys, I just wanted to drop a quick video for Heal 331. I finished grading everything. Everything's looking really good in the class, but I just wanted to bring one thing up to your guys' attention before you guys get started with this week's assignment too deep into it. So I just want to pull up assignment 3 real quick. This is the one I just finished grading. And it looked good, but you can see that I didn't require APA citations. So if you received 100, and you did good in the assignment. That's great. But however, I just want to emphasize that that does not mean that your API citations were correct. A lot of you guys, I gave you full credit and your citations were wrong. And the reason why you got full credit was because citations actually were not a requirement for this assignment. So it didn't matter that you didn't have them perfect because it was just something extra. All right. But as I go to week 4 and you guys work through this week, you will see that you were doing a survey. And you here have, and then you're writing a reflection about it, but you have 2 web resources. So 2 web resources that can be websites or DOI journals that you get from the internet or whatever, but just something that you found on the web. So for you guys, I would highly recommend looking at Purdue OWL before you cite APA next or for this week, because a lot of you guys, if you cite the same way you did last week, you're going to get points marked off. Because I don't know, some of you guys I have in other classes and you're working through APA and working through those errors, and some of you guys, this is the only class I have with you. And if it's, if it's an undergraduate class, you're probably not doing a whole bunch of APA. But if you are, now that you're in your major courses, you're going to be start focusing more and more on APA. So Purdue OWL, I'm going to pull that up. If you go to Purdue OWL, because I know some of you guys probably don't just have the APA textbook on hand, but this is a good resource. Purdue University puts this out. So when you come over here, you can see that it has all of these different templates. So basically what you would do when you're doing APA is, you would come down here, let's say electronic resources, you guys are going to be working on web resources, and you come here and it gives you templates where you can actually see what the template looks like and then how it plugs in. I would highly recommend before you post for next week that you are looking at Purdue OWL at the template, because like I said, some things have changed. There's no retrieve from anymore. Some of the italicized has changed where it's at in the citation. You need to look at the in-text and all that good stuff. So just a heads up that everything looks great in the course. I mean, I feel like we're doing really good. I feel like you guys are doing a great job. However, I just didn't want you to be, thinking that you cited it right because you had, you did really good on week 3 assignment because the citation wasn't a requirement, so therefore I couldn't take points off for it. And I wouldn't have done that anyways. But week 4, now that you're the one you're in right now, this assignment does require APA, and make sure that you're looking at that template before you submit. If you have any questions, let me know, and you guys have a great week.